Best friends. Okay, so today I have a 15-minute press on tutorial, although this video is not going to be 15 minutes. I easily put these press-ons on because either I'm doing something for YouTube or taking pictures for Instagram, or I need to go somewhere real quick and I don't have time to do like full-on nails. So I usually do this, and I actually did this press-on, yellow press-ons for this tutorial with this yellow bob that I made. If you've seen it, hey, but let's get into this tutorial. So what you're going to need is your press-ons. I'm using BTA box press-ons in Coffin, and you're going to need your LED UV lamp and some nail glue with your files and your top and base coat with your gel polish. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to buff your nails. Now these type of press-ons will at least stay on my nails for about I would say 5 days before they will start cracking or breaking or anything like that. So the better you prep your nails, the longer that they'll stay on. I don't prep my nails too good because I don't want to damage my natural nails. So I just I'll like buff them a little bit and then I'll apply them. So I found my sizes, and I'm going to take my glue from Young Nails, and I am going to put some glue on it. As you can see, this glue is very sticky, and I'm going to put the press-ons on half of my nails. So I want mine a little longer because I like longer nails, and so this is the trick for me. Instead of putting them on my full nail bed, which you can put them all the way on your nail bed if you like the length that it is, but I want mine a little longer. So after I apply them, I am going to go in and shape the nails. Now what I will say is these nails are not going to last you long enough for you to get a feel. Alright, these nails are for the moment. These nails are for you to go out and look cute real quick. These nails is, oh, I got a date and my nails are shabby, let me put some press-ons on real quick with a bomb color. That's what these are. Alright, so no, you are not going to do or need a feel, because after a while you're going to end up wanting to take these off anyway. The press-ons in general are very thick. I like them. They don't bend as easy, but when you apply the layers of the gel polish to them, they make them even thicker, so they make them super sturdier. Now they're not as sturdy as, you know, poly gel or acrylic or builder gel or things of that nature, but they will serve the purpose for you right then and there. And if you're like me and you like to switch up your nails, this is a very easy way for you to do that without really damaging your nails and giving your nails a break from all the excessive, you know, fouling from, you know, going to the nail shop and things like that. So after I filed, I am going to buff the top of the nail and buff the ridge between the fake nail and my nail. I'm not going to really buff my nail because, like I said, I don't really want to damage it. But I'm making that free edge that's on my nail plate a little smoother and flatter. And I'm buffing the actual press-on because you want it to be rough so the polish can stay on your nails and it won't peel off. Alright, so this polish is from Makartt. I think this is one of my favorite base and top coats that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. This is a base coat, and so I'm just going to apply the base coat on my entire nail and on the press-ons, and I'm going to do 2 layers of base coat, so because we're going to build up the nail. So you want to apply 2 layers. So after you apply the first layer, you want to put your hand in a UV LED lamp, let it cure for about 60 seconds, take it off, put your next layer of base coat on it, let it cure again for 60 seconds, I'm sorry, and then you want to pull it out, and then you want to start with your colors of your choice. Now today I'm using yellow. I forgot the name of it, but I will put it in the description box. I do know that Amazon does not sell OPI gel polishes because I looked for it, so I will put a dupe to this color from Makartt because I actually received a yellow polish from them that's very similar to this. So I am going to apply 2 layers of the yellow polish as well, because, you know, as you know, the first layer is going to be a little streaky. The second layer is going to make everything real even. You can also do a 3rd layer if you really want a solid color, especially if you're not good at painting your nails like that. Alright, so after I do 2 layers of that, I'm going to go in with my no wipe top coat from Makartt, and I am going to just basically top the polish off so they could be shiny and they could like just be, you know, everything that I need them to be. And so I love this top coat because I don't have to wipe them off. They don't have that little film sticky layer on top of it. After you cure it in the LED lamp, you are good to go. So I like to stick to gel polishes when it comes to like quick press on when I'm trying to go somewhere, because it's super easy. I get it done in 15 minutes and my nails look banging and they look thick. Okay, that's the thing. They look thick, they look good, they look bomb. Okay, and so that is my just little hack to just having bomb nails really quick for a week. Okay, but if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the description box, and I will link all the products that I use in the description for you guys if you're interested in doing your own press-ons like myself. Bye, you guys.